Hey guys, Jason here from Maker's Wood Shop. I'm going to show you a new thing that we're going to try, and I'll show you the results of it tomorrow when we take everything apart. So here, take a look. All right, so what we have here is a beautiful piece of black walnut that we've had for a while now, and one of the reasons why I've had it for a while now is because it twisted in the process of drying, and so it got really skinny on this end, and it got really skinny over here on this end, about an inch thick. So what we decided to do was clamp it down flat and pour epoxy into the cracks. But we didn't really want black to be that hard line against the edge there of the wood. So I poured black epoxy, and then I scraped the black epoxy away, and I poured a kind of brown copper color into the epoxy. And we're gonna let that harden up there. You can see we're just supporting the whole edge here with zip tape and a paint stirrer, and so far that's held. It's obviously a little bit of drip here. When this hardens, we're gonna go ahead and pull all this stuff off and make the wall a little bit higher with the tape and pour it probably up to about maybe here, where it starts to be full 2 inches, and then basically it'll be even all the way across this whole area with epoxy, and when we flip the table over, it should look pretty decent. So I'll show you the results when it's all done.